Los Angeles presents the Mangria Concert Series, an evening of music and film with Todd Hannigan and Sleeping Chief.
Working on the rail, getting down the line.
Thursday, September 19th at 7 p.m.
Spinning my wheels, but everything's fine.
Todd Hannigan and Sleeping Chief, plus a double feature of Dan Malloy's Slow is Fast and Keith Malloy's Come Hell or High Water.
Flying higher than my wings were designed to take me. Although my spirit soars heavy winds, I'm trying to break free.
Get your tickets now at plazatheatercarpinteria.com. Additional music by Ron Hargrave and Chris Loxamana.
Baby, let the road, we're getting older. No, I don't intend to make you wait, but I see a little light inside your way.
Thursday, September 19th, an evening of live music, film, and Mangria, and the new Mangria White Peach and Pear, made in Los Angeles. Updates on Twitter at Los Angeles.